Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup inspiration, specifically for the modern, stylish woman. Forget the trends that don't suit you. We're talking about looks that enhance your natural beauty and reflect your unique personality. Let's get started. First up, the no makeup look. This is perfect for everyday wear. It's all about enhancing your features without looking like you're wearing a ton of product. Think tinted moisturizer, a touch of concealer where you need it, a little blush for a healthy glow, and a swipe of mascara. The key is blending, blending, blending. You want your skin to look fresh and luminous, not cakey. Next, the bold lip look. This is a classic, but it's all about finding the right shade for you. Whether it's a vibrant red, a deep berry, or a bold coral, a statement lip can instantly elevate your look. Keep the rest of your makeup simple, a touch of mascara, and maybe a little brow gel to let your lips be the star. Remember, a well-defined lip is key. Use a lip liner to prevent feathering and make your lipstick last longer. Now, let's talk about the smoky eye. This is a timeless look that can be adapted for any occasion. The key to a modern smoky eye is to keep it soft and blended. Choose shades that complement your eye color. Think browns, grays, or even plums. Start with a neutral base on your lid. Then build up the depth with darker shades in the crease and outer corner. Blend, blend, blend. And don't forget to smudge some shadow along your lower lash line for added intensity. For a touch of glam, consider the glowy skin look. This is all about achieving that lit from within radiance. Start with a hydrating primer and a foundation that gives a natural finish. Then, add a touch of liquid highlighter to the high points of your face, your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose. A cream blush will help create a seamless blend. Finish with a setting spray to lock everything in. Finally, we have the graphic eyeliner look. This is for the woman who loves to make a statement. Experiment with different shapes and colors, a classic cat eye, a graphic wing, or even a pop of color. Make sure your eyeliner is sharp and precise. This look is all about confidence and expressing your creativity. No matter which look you choose, remember that makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. These are just starting points, so make them your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and inspiration. Bye.